Hello, Mr. Taves. We are anonymous. We warned you not to force your abhorrent spying legislation onto the Canadian people. You did not heed our warnings. Now you will be exposed for the hypocrite that you are. A man who believes registering a lethal weapon is an unfair invasion of privacy, but demands that the public's information be logged for use by the authorities. A man who declares marriage and the family to be sacred institutions, but commits adultery and impregnates his mistress, and then abandons his own child. A man who demands his country spy on the Canadian people's private activities, but demands a parliamentary investigation when fully accessible public records about his own personal life are exposed. Mr. Taves, you are now literally a joke in the eyes of the internet, the Canadian public, and the world. You will cease your efforts to defy the will of your own citizens immediately. If you do not, rest assured that public outrage and protests will only grow, and you will soon find yourself not only mocked, but jobless and despised. A man as deceitful as yourself is bound to have many skeletons in his closet. Some of these have already been brought to light, and we have no doubt that this is only the tip of the iceberg. Rest assured, Anonymous will not allow a politician who allows his citizens no secrets to have any secrets of his own. Let this be a warning to any politician who attempts to censor, control, or hamper public use of the internet in Canada, or anywhere else on this planet. Your actions will not stand. You cannot run. You cannot hide. For every one of us you arrest or imprison, a dozen more will emerge to take their place. You have underestimated the power of the internet in the hands of the people. Tyrants have once again created the weapons of their own destruction. You will pry the internet, our most valued and precious weapon against oppression, from our cold dead hands. In closing, you may champion firearms and despise the freedom of information, but beneath this mask is more than flesh. Beneath this mask, there is an idea, Mr. Taves. And ideas are bulletproof. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.